Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel ABS. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.